Imagine walking into a Chevrolet dealership in 1969. You see a brand new Camaro sitting on the showroom floor. At first glance, it looks almost identical to every other Camaro parked outside. But hidden beneath that long hood is one of the most outrageous engines Chevrolet had ever built. Here's the crazy part. The engine option alone cost more than the entire car. Most people thought Chevrolet had lost its mind. Almost nobody bought it. Today, that same car can sell for well over $1.4 million, making it one of the rarest and most valuable muscle cars ever produced. This is the incredible story of the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Before we begin, subscribe for more legendary muscle cars and automotive history. Now, let's go back to 1969. The late 1960s were unlike anything America had ever seen. Every major automaker was locked in a horsepower war. Ford had the Mustang, Plymouth unleashed the Roadrunner, Dodge introduced the Charger and Super Bee, Pontiac had the GTO, Chevrolet answered with the Camaro. Every year, engines became larger, horsepower numbers climbed higher, quarter-mile times became the only thing anyone cared about. But General Motors had one strict rule. Officially, no midsize or compact Chevrolet could receive an engine larger than 400 cubic inches. At least, that's what everyone believed. Behind the scenes, a clever Chevrolet dealer named Don Yanko discovered a loophole. It was called the COPO program, Central Office Production Order. Originally designed for fleet vehicles like police cars and taxis, COPO allowed dealerships to request special factory-built vehicles, instead of using it for commercial vehicles. Yanko had a much crazier idea. He convinced Chevrolet to install the massive 427 cubic inch V8 into the lightweight Camaro. Chevrolet approved two special COPO Camaros, the iron block COPO 9561, and the legendary COPO 9560 ZL1. The ZL1 would become one of the wildest factory muscle cars America had ever seen. What made the ZL1 so special wasn't just its size, it was its construction. Instead of using traditional cast iron, Chevrolet built the entire engine from aluminum. The block, cylinder heads, water pump, intake manifold, everything possible was designed to reduce weight. The result was incredible. The aluminum ZL1 engine weighed almost the same as Chevrolet's much smaller small block V8. Yet it displaced a massive 427 cubic inches, or 7.0 liters. Officially, Chevrolet rated it at only 430 horsepower. But nearly everyone agreed that number was intentionally understated. Most experts estimate the real output was somewhere between 500 and 550 horsepower in factory trim. In 1969, that level of performance bordered on insanity. Now comes the unbelievable part. A brand new Camaro in 1969 cost roughly $3,000. The ZL1 engine option alone added $4,160. That pushed the total price to around $7,200. Think about that for a second. The engine cost more than the entire car. Adjusted for inflation, that's roughly $65,000 to $70,000 today. And remember, this wasn't a Cadillac. It wasn't a Corvette. It wasn't even a luxury car. It was a Chevrolet Camaro. Many customers walked into dealerships, looked at the price tag, and simply walked back out. To most buyers, it made absolutely no sense. Because demand was almost non-existent, production stopped almost immediately. Only 69 genuine Camaro ZL1s were ever assembled. That tiny production number instantly made it one of the rarest muscle cars Chevrolet ever created. Ironically, the reason they're so valuable today is the exact reason nobody wanted them back then. They were simply too expensive. Sometimes, failure creates rarity, and rarity creates legends. Despite its sky-high price, the ZL1 delivered performance that few factory cars could match. With proper tuning and racing tires, these Camaros were capable of running the quarter mile in the 11-second range, an astonishing feat for a production car in 1969. The lightweight aluminum engine improved weight distribution, giving the car better balance than many competitors with heavier big block V8s. This wasn't just a straight-line drag racer. It was surprisingly agile for its time. Many ZL1s were immediately purchased by racers, modified for competition, and pushed to even greater levels of performance. Some produced well over 600 horsepower with relatively minor changes. The ZL1 quickly earned a reputation as one of the fiercest factory-built muscle cars ever to hit the streets or drag strip. Today, surviving ZL1 Camaros are among the most sought-after collector cars in the world. A fully documented, numbers-matching example can easily sell for over $1.4 million, with exceptional cars bringing even higher prices at prestigious auctions. Collectors aren't just buying a Camaro, They're buying a piece of automotive history, a car that broke the rules, ignored conventional pricing, and proved that true performance often comes at an extraordinary cost. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 wasn't just another muscle car. It was Chevrolet's boldest experiment, a machine that was misunderstood in its own time, yet became one of the greatest American performance cars ever built. Sometimes, the rarest legends begin as the biggest mistakes, and the Camaro ZL1 is living proof of that. And that's the incredible story of the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, a car that was once considered outrageously expensive, but is now worth over $1 million. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you pay $1.4 million for a Camaro? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.